Hey guys, welcome to the Beer Banters Football Podcast. Let's move on to the next big fixture, City Wolves. Wolves did the double over City last season, expecting the same thing. Josefa?
Not the exact same thing. I think things will change, but at the same time, the defense is still very dodgy. They have, Laporte is. I don't think he's back in training because after he tested positive, he's not back in training. And they have Nathan Ake, John Stones, and Otamendi to start, which is again
Otamendi, yeah.
which is a
Yeah,
disaster.
you're not
again.
confident after listening those names.
Fernandinho?
Otamendi
Yeah, and the worst thing is that left back there is if he starts with Mendy, Traore manhandled him last time, so that's a big worry.
The other
Not everyone,
Traore
not
playing
everyone
as
is Brandon
wing back,
Williams.
so you can be.
Kunal, you were
Not
saying?
everyone is Brandon Williams.
That's why I don't like United fans. What the fuck? Brandon Williams.
I mean, Brandon Williams
Great
kept
pocket
Traore
travel
at
to
bay.
fair though.
Yeah, it's a fair point.
Yes,
Uh,
Kunal, you were saying?
Yeah, but Traore is playing a little behind. He's playing as a wing
Yeah,
back right
wing
now
back,
because
yeah.
Doherty left, so Mendy might just survive at least for most of the game because
I
City
think
will
he should
be in
start
possession.
anyways he shouldn't start. I think if City has to play a high line and they have to keep position, he cannot start. He just should
Who
go.
is going to start if he
And
does not start?
Angelino is back.
Cancelo would be a good option.
Cancelo can start at left back, yeah.
After the lockdown, he's been quite good, and he is a Pep, suited to the Pep style of play. So
Why
Angelino
didn't
is
you
back.
go
just
for
comes down-
Angelino?
Angelino is back.
Did you guys loan or
Angelino is-
sell Angelino? Is he going to
no,
come back?
he's
from
loaned.
RB?
He is loaned, but if he
Loan.
plays, I
It's
think
a
12
2-year
or
loan,
more.
right?
No, if he plays 12 or more games, he'll be automatically be sold to Leipzig.
He was playing
Oh.
well in the
Clause in his
Champions
contract.
League.
Yeah, he played well, but I don't think Pep likes him a lot. So
No,
He's a Pep
no one
signing.
else can be bald in
One
Pep's
bald
team.
guy.
Yeah, exactly.
But he was a Pep signing, the eighth fullback that he signed at City. Like he likes signing two fullbacks every year.
Yeah, and also a centre back every year.
5 years to sign that many players. The amount of players he signs in 1-2 windows, it takes 5-6 years to sign that at Arsenal. But
Yeah, we can
Like,
relate with
if you
that.
observe the
and he
pattern,
needed the one person he needed a centre back, second centre back last year. He did not. He chose to buy Cancelo and all. It was a waste of money, I felt. If they had a
And-
second centre back, it could have been close. Champions
Yeah.
League and the league. But he chose.
And Cancelo is their club's record signing. Can you believe that?
He wasn't there for most of the season. He just came towards the end.
so score predictions: Wolves City. Sorry,
I think 3-1.
Rafa?
Josefa.
3-1 will
Is that
definitely
the
score,
mistake?
but I think City will win.
2-1 Wolves.
Yeah, Wolves. Siddharth,
I think 3-1 City.
3-1 City, okay.
Nishant,
I will go with Siddharth, 3-1 City.
okay, Varad,
I think it will be 2-1 to City.
Rohit.
2-1 Wolves.
Give us a controversial.
At 12 must be 2-1 Wolves.
Bhargav, what about you?
I'd say 2-1 Wolves. 2-1 Wolves.
I'll go for a draw. Wolves started well the season. The first match was very good.
Rated.
Yeah, maybe
Go
2-2.
for a draw.
Maybe I'd like to shift. Maybe a 1-all draw.
It can be a 2-all draw too.
Like City tend to start good at the start of the season. Maybe that's why.
Because
It's
they're obviously
3-1
going to be
City.
pissed
So,
after losing to Leon and obviously losing the Premier League title also.
Yeah, but Bulls always look. I think their game is meant to play against. teams
yeah,
like
against big
City.
side.
If you give them Huddersfield, they lost twice when Huddersfield were in the league. So they are.
Huddersfield did the double over Wolves last season. Last
Yeah.
season.
So let's move on to the next game.
Yeah.
Let's do United Palace.
I just have one question.
Okay.
Tough one.
I have one question.
This is just screaming. 20th minute, Crystal Palace defender brings down Martial, Bruno Fernandes penalty.
Yeah.
I already have him in my
Agreed.
FPL team. I
Agreed.
already
It's
have him
Van de
because I
Beek.
know he's good.
Van de Beek is going to get the penalty.
I have a question for United fans. Is Van Aanholt
Yeah, shoot.
going to start or not?
No.
Man or not?
When
It's
I'm
Mitchell.
I have Mitchell.
Yeah, it's
in my
Mitchell.
Yeah, I am Mitchell.
Bargain
If
boy.
Van Aanholt starts, it's nightmare again.
Start is he's definitely going to score.
I think
Yeah.
United will
Van
win.
Aanholt scores
They'll
1.
win.
Bruno scores a hat trick of penalties. 3-1. Chance 3 points. Oh.
Varad, what do you think how the game will go on?
I think United win 3-1.
Van de Beek start?
Don't think so, actually. If Pogba is not there, then Van de Beek might start. But,
Yeah, I heard he's back in training, but let's see.
Yeah.
I hope Van de Beek starts.
yeah.
I have
will
a
be
question for your transfer shenanigans. Why did you go
Here-
for Van de
here we
Beek
go.
instead of Thiago? Thiago
Because
is
I
cheaper
don't-
and
Yes.
Thiago is
Yeah,
what
like,
you
no,
I
no,
really want
I
to
think
listen to that.
I think it just came down to like why would Thiago want to join United if he could have joined Liverpool? What if he already wanted to join Liverpool?
Oh,
Yeah,
Exactly. The best teams
glory.
are apart.
Yeah,
Can we call him a
I mean,
glory hunter?
that's the only reason Chelsea got Werner, right? Liverpool did not pay up. That's why Chelsea got Werner. Why would Werner join Chelsea if he could join Liverpool?
Because Werner knew that he couldn't steal the position from Firmino. That's why he
That
went
wasn't an
Chelsea.
issue at all.
Because Werner knew FSG will put off an FSG
Firmino
masterclass. That's
steals
why he
goals.
went to Chelsea.
But even if you didn't want not getting Thiago, you should have put that money for Sancho. Now, if you don't get Sancho, you need a RW more, like it's more of a
Man, we are the-
priority than
we are the
a
richest-
box to box.
We're the richest club in the world. We are,
Rant incoming.
it's okay that we can sign 2 different
Yeah,
players
exactly.
with different
I mean,
money.
But
yeah,
still, you
it
know,
was
Yeah, but
Thiago is
logical to think
29
that-
almost, and
I'd
Van
say
de
Van
Beek
de
is
Beek's
23, I
signing-
guess.
Van de Beek signing seemed logical to me because
Yeah, he's
we
young.
were saying we didn't have the depth in the bench, and you
Yeah.
saw that Pogba
Makes
and
sense. Yeah,
Bruno were
obviously.
knackered. So
When Bruno is out, you see Lingard or Andreas over there. So I'll
Yeah,
take
I mean,
Van de Beek anytime if I
That's
can
the
get it.
scary part.
And for
any
Van de Beek, 40 million is, I guess, a bargain for me. For
Probably.
Van de Beek. 40 million
Yeah, of
is
course,
Yeah.
it's a bargain. Yeah.
is a fair price. Or a
Let's say
bargain.
only,
If you,
only
if you
time
look
will
at
tell.
look at this
Look
from
at-
Thiago's point of view. He's leaving Bayern, the champions of Europe. So he'd probably go to a club where he'll be challenging for trophies regularly. United currently is a project. I don't know whether it is heading in the right direction, but it's still a project. Like we are not expected to challenge for the
Do you
title or even
expect?
challenge for
Do
the
you
league.
expect Ole to be here the full season?
Like
Yeah,
if we don't get the signings required, I see like United struggling to like finish in the top 4. Considering like Arsenal gets another midfielder, Chelsea have a bid accepted for Declan Rice
Mendy.
maybe.
Mhm.
Yeah,
Yeah,
and
maybe.
Mendy. So you'd probably have,
Those are just
and
points.
Spurs are strengthening. So like, you'd probably have an Everton. If you consider like Everton are doing well, they played well against Spurs. It's like 6 or 7 very strong squads going for 4 spots, and realistically 2 spots considering Liverpool and City finish in the top 2. And it is expected of Chelsea to finish in the top 3. So you would like have 1 spot and 4 to 5 teams. Like, difficult
Are
situation.
we counting Arsenal in the top 4 run? Because I'll just be criminal.
Spurs definitely, easily. Every player to player.
Your fan on the All or Nothing literally said that if we get a win over Arsenal, it's okay for us.
Yeah.
How,
Look at
how
the
do you say that?
levels. Look at the level. I was disappointed. I was hoping
mean,
Pochettino will be
Spurs
fired
still
and
gets
show how he
Spurs
was
still
fired.
gets Europa League, right?
Yeah, I think
Yeah.
They have the Europa
get
League. Yeah.
over and all. I think this year finally we'll win Europa and get out of the Europa.
They
No,
have to qualify
that's
first.
not happening
Spurs have to qualify first.
because of Arsenal.
Spurs were not.
Let's not forget
qualified.
that.
Yeah,
For
because of
20
us.
minutes
This is the
and
qualifying round of the Europa League.
also.
Yeah.
I believe in Mourinho. If he can do it at United, he can do it at Spurs.
Yeah,
T20 you
this is the
believe.
second season, you know.
Okay.
United
Going with
fans
the
also
role.
believed in him.
I wanted to ask you
Southampton.
this. Let's before moving to Tottenham Southampton, I wanted to ask you this. You've had a good start, a good season post lockdown. You had your signings in. What are your realistic ambitions for this season?
Top 6, I mean,
Top 4, I think fourth
Europa.
spot and Europa. I mean, FA Cup
Well-
ends up happening some way or the other every year, but I would want fourth, or I would want fourth and Europa. It's about time we get out of it.
No,
Tired of watching.
that doesn't happen. We saw with Mourinho, fourth and Europa. It's difficult, and given
Yeah,
COVID,
because
I don't
Every
think
season,
it.
every season
Sunday.
till now, I think there were obvious faults in defense. Our midfield was also pretty poor, and our attack, well, it wasn't gelling. Pepe did not work out very well last season, but this, I have hopes, and I think we have strengthened. We have strengthened in squad depth also, which is what we have done this year. And we are going to get at least one of two, Ovar or Partey, to go along with Xhaka and Ceballos. Ozil doesn't even fit in right now. Like,
is that going to be a 10-year loan or a 15-year loan for Partey?
as long as he plays, I don't care. It's not my money. I don't care.
Partey will be,
As long as he plays.
Yeah, I
will be
think
joining
And
more
everybody
than
buys
our.
players on installments.
5 million per year.
Thiago's 30 or 20 million is on 4 installments.
29.
Yeah.
No, it's
Okay,
two,
okay,
I guess.
yeah.
20 and 5.
Arsenal hasn't gotten any
25 plus 5.
in the last 5 years. But Liverpool
Sorry,
got a lot.
I couldn't hear. Yeah.
I said Arsenal. Yeah.
Move to Tottenham Southampton. Siddharth.
Yeah. I feel. Let's see. I mean, I'm not too hopeful after what Southampton did to us last year. I feel like Southampton winning this 2-1. As much as I
Really?
hate to say it, yeah, as much as
I
hate to-
agree.
I mean,
Bannings breaks.
plus
But-
also
You see-
Mourinho's
The
morale.
second
itself-
season Mourinho thing. Siddharth, we can't hear you.
Yeah, am I audible now?
Yeah.
I was
Yeah,
saying
yeah.
so Mourinho's morale is low anyway. I mean, it's literally plummeted, and I don't see it improving the morale of the players anyway. At least for a couple of
You
games.
see Jose surviving till Christmas.
Yeah, he will survive. I mean,
Yeah.
the all or nothing series is anything to go by. The chairman actually likes him. For once, a chairman likes him. Somebody from the
But
club.
he said he liked
Why
Poch
will he
like a
leave?
friend.
I don't see why he'll be sacked. There are no expectations at the club. Like, I'm not even being
Oh.
sarcastic. I'm not even being sarcastic.
They
There is
do-
no history
That's
behind
cold.
it, right? There's no
They do
history
want a
behind it.
trophy,
You
though.
win a trophy in a season, or
Yeah,
so
that they want to, clean the dust and put a
When
trophy in
another,
there.
if you have
Remind
gotten
me
him,
the last
you
time
back him
another
for a
North-
long time.
No,
Yeah, it
remind me the last time another North London club made it to the Champions League final.
2006.
Oh man.
We should
Mm.
have won that.
And
We should have won.
and your best player left for the team that won.
Yeah, but that's history. And
Sad,
you're
isn't it?
present and you are shit right now. So
Are we straight though? We finished above you. We have a better score
we were
than you.
worse last year. It does not mean if you compare two teams, that does not mean your team is very good.
Yeah, but
Just little
we-
less shit. Yeah,
we offloaded
last season.
our
Yeah.
highest earning player. You still have him on the bench, so I think we are winning in some ways.
You offloaded him, paying his wages for him to play for another team, and then he came out and said he
Yeah.
had one training session and he wanted to come back to Arsenal. This is your
Yeah, but
highest earning player whom you
but
hyped
that's
up.
what's happening with Ozil. He won the Champions League, won the La Liga, and is
But you
coming to Arsenal.
see how comfortable
Arsenal.
he is. He was at Arsenal.
Not as if Sanchez only had, like, Sanchez went to United and killed it for any amount of time. He did not. Ozil was good for
Yeah.
3 years, three and a half years. He's not been good for 2 years. There's a
Yeah, but he
difference.
did. He did good for
he
us in
did
the
it out
derby.
of, I think, sheer panic of outrage of fans, because Sanchez and Ozil going out at the same time would have been bad. So that was a mistake, obvious mistake. There is no point arguing on that. I think
Yeah.
once we need to get
We'll
over
judge on
the-
this season.
Yeah, sure.
So
I'm
you'll say
optimistic.
Arsenal finishes above United?
Let them try finishing
I
above.
think both of them will fight for fourth spot. That is what I think.
That was an awkward pause.
Okay.
Was
he's
a
not
one-shot.
completely
I
believe in
don't
that
want to
opinion.
go out on a limb and say right now because we'll see how his form is over a prolonged period of time. Then we'll see.
Yeah. So
Who do you think is a
are you
better
following-
manager?
Arteta, exactly. If I had to trust Arteta or Ole, there's only one answer. I get no vibes from Ole. I think he
Yeah.
brilliance.
Three defeats to Guardiola, beating
all of your
Jose,
players
beating
you
Poch,
have
beating
Yeah.
Tuchel,
just
beating Lampard
vibes?
3 times, beating.
All of them, I feel it is more to do with just how good Martial and Pogba and all, Bruno, for example.
But that's the point.
It comes
That's the
down to
point of making
individual
signings.
players.
He did it without Bruno, my boy.
Show me a game,
Yeah.
show me a game where you can say you won only because Ole's tactics were on point and not because just the players. were
City,
good. Because
City
I
at
can point
Etihad,
that out
first
against-
half.
Yeah, but I mean,
Yeah.
Arsenal haven't won when Aubameyang has flopped. So
Sorry?
there's a flip side to that
Yeah.
too. So yeah, you can tell me one
Guys
game
are
where
main
Aubameyang
scorer.
didn't play
It's
well
like
and you
saying
won.
Taking out your main scorer, you don't score goals.
We do.
But
We
what-
have
but
14,
taking out your
17
very
and
creative,
17 goals.
you don't create.
But if you see in Jose's
don't
last
create,
season,
that's
Martial was not even starting. Ole has improved Martial. He deserves credit for what
Yeah.
Martial is doing.
If you see this season, Martial is pretty
Martial
good.
was better. Yes, agree.
Okay.
Even Rashford is playing
So-
well on the left.
I can give you a proper list of the amount of players that he's improved.
Bhargav.
He's improved Rashford. He's improved Martial. He's improved McTominay. Bruno didn't take time to settle from a Portuguese league.
Greenwood? What about Greenwood?
I mean, I don't think Greenwood and Martinelli ka
Greenwood,
comparison
Greenwood.
actually makes sense.
I love Green.
Greenwood,
Bhargav, let's go
Well,
back
it
to
doesn't
the
make sense.
unbiased
Yeah.
phase. Let's go back to the unbiased phase now.
Unbiased. Yeah, sorry. I'm supposed to
Yeah.
be unbiased. Yeah.
Yeah. We are sorry for that. The
But
last game.
before I go back there, let me see. Greenwood is in a different league to Gabriel Martinelli. We can all accept that.
Greenwood has been
Levels
What
apart.
I'm going to say one thing on this. Martinelli and Greenwood are both going to be world-class beaters. Greenwood played and Martinelli was injured, so it's recency bias. When both of them are fit, we'll able to judge who's better. I don't feel the need to judge. I can see both of them being on the top of their game for years to come.
Who would you rather sell, Saka or Martinelli?
None. I don't want to be a selling club anymore. Things have to change. And they are both young, so I don't see them going anywhere anytime soon, which is good for them.
If you're talking about Arsenal, let's move to your predictions. Arsenal play who?
West Ham.
West Ham? West Ham.
Yeah.
Easy game. Easy game just because
Is
the
it though?
situation at West Ham is very bad.
Yeah.
There's a lot of
Has always
Yeah,
been
this-
like that.
no, but
Yeah.
it's even worse right now. They
I won't be-
sold Diangna, who was like one of their most promising
Best players, yeah.
aspects. Yeah, this season was going to come through. They want to buy Kolasinac. I don't know what's wrong with them. They want
That-
I saw a Leverkusen.
Declan Rice is being at least rumored for Chelsea, so you don't know where his head where his head is at. Then their players, they were not very good last season anyway. They just scraped through towards the end. Their initial form was
still-
bad, and their captain came out and said that the club is shit at doing transfers on Twitter. Mark Noble. And the way they
But still-
played in game week 1 was also very bad. And on the contrast, at least for now, the Arsenal is on a high right now. So I don't see it changing. At least for this game, we'll see ahead. So
I
think-
won't be surprised to see Antonio bullying some of your defenders though. I'm just being honest, not an agenda here, but he does do that to your defenders.
Like we saw David Moyes clinching a result against Chelsea, United, or even Arsenal last season. You guys think he can do it again this time around?
No. That's it. Not in the current situation. I don't think they are well equipped. And I think they always do well against Chelsea. I think they are Chelsea's bogey team. But West Ham usually, even Nicholas Pepe scored against West Ham last year. So
That's
they
a good
were-
goal.
it
That's a
was
good goal,
it was
yeah.
happening well. I honestly don't see a problem right now. The Liverpool.
I only remember that goal. Because of Troop's reaction on the watch along.
Blood clot.
TV and chill. Those guys created havoc at the club. But
We
yeah,
do need something like that.
it's fun when we win. It's not that fun when we lose. Unless
It's
you
fun
are
for us
angry.
then.
Unless you
Fun
are
for us then.
an Arsenal fan, you are angry and you want somebody to show that anger. Otherwise, it is not that fun.
Okay, so your score, Brett?
Score
For predictions,
3-1 Arsenal.
Siddharth?
Siddharth.
Think 2-1 Arsenal. I don't see West Ham doing anything with the current state they're in.
Okay, Varad?
Josefa.
Okay, Huzafa.
Even 2-1 Arsenal.
Josefa.
Huzafa.
I think 3-0 Arsenal.
Nishant.
3-1 Arsenal. They will be
Likewise.
considering goal, at least.
Rohit.
Yeah, perfect. 3-1 Arsenal because they are on high on confidence right now, but due to the poor defense, they may consider one, but they sure will score. Hopeful.
Winning 3-0 on the first game week and losing to West Ham would be the most Arsenal thing to be.
Yeah.
But it's still
You
Fulham,
expect
right?
that. It's the only team that.
It's still Fulham.
I'm in touch, but I don't want to jinx it. I think mentally this team is getting stronger. So I don't think we will. I don't see that happening many times this season, but let's see. Because we had a lot of weak characters in the team, and it's changing. They are defending, they are pressing more. Even the defense as a unit is working better now than it was ever. Because I never rated the Arsenal defense, being an Arsenal fan. Not in the 8 years I've been following the club. Right now, I feel there is good potential in Saliba, Gabriel, Bellerin, Niles, Tierney. They're all very young.
David Luiz.
All do pretty
David
well.
Yeah,
Luiz.
don't forget him.
Don't forget the legend.
But he's been, except that City game, which was horrible to
He's
watch.
a good defender in a back three system.
Yeah.
Exactly. He plays, if he plays in a back four, I don't think I'll have the guts to watch.
The most comfortable
But
game.
Central guy and back, he's working well, and he's also mentoring the youngsters a lot. Because you see that all the time. All the youngsters have to say about him. So he's a good
But that-
guy.
Yeah, but that can go
Just
either
don't
way.
put him in a back four. Just don't put him in a back four. At the end of the day, he's had a superb career. He's won everything. So it's not like he's been poor for long. He's just been a little eccentric over the recent years. But it's okay. I have decent hopes this season. Oh,
Luis,
I
we have
think
to-
anyone
the
isn't
end of
probably
the
the
year,
best
I'll be
idea.
like, what was I saying?
Yeah, Siddharth.
I was just saying, Luis mentoring anyone isn't probably the best idea.
He's been working well. Like Saka, Martinelli, and now let's see how he does with Saliba and all. But he's a good influence. That's all I can say.
You got a nice Brazilian group there. Gabriel, Willian, David
Yeah.
Luiz, Martinelli.
Spend on the alternate market most of the time. We don't have the Chelsea amount of money. So we need to look for such bargains. Fair enough. I love your owner. Roman is a super.
Romano is
Anyone
excellent.
would want such an owner.
But yeah, we sold Hazard. We sold Courtois. I mean, we also sold many players,
okay.
right?
If
But
we
you
don't have a
effectively managed to,
Yeah, you've been
transfer
pumped your money by
players would-
Rome.
Yeah.
Good
A
business.
lot of money, to be honest.
like we sold Ronaldo in 2009. We have still not replaced him yet. No, we have not had a right winger for like 10 years. We played Valencia there, and even like
The
Yeah.
number 7 curse.
Let's not go there. Not today after the Thiago news.
Greenwood got the number 7, right?
I think Saka is the new
Number 11.
number 10
No.
for Arsenal.
Yeah,
Greenwood.
Greenwood is 11.
Lot of
The
faith.
Giggs legacy.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Not that
he's
one.
honoring the Giggs legacy.
shows that in
So we
Okay.
have had our predictions. Let's see who goes big. If Werner scores or if Firmino scores, if Liverpool defense manages to dominate the Chelsea defense, if again Arsenal manage to win against West Ham, or maybe Patrick Van Aanholt comes and haunts United again. It's been a good ride. Thanks a lot for everyone for coming. Kunal,
Yeah.
shout out.
So I have a podcast with one of my friends, and it's called 2020 Vision. We have a Insta page, and we are on all leading Spotify, or all leading streaming platforms like Spotify, Apple, and all. So our podcast is basically a comedy podcast, which is based on uh, the life we see as 20-year-olds from our point of view, the how we see the world. So we have various topics where we speak about everything through the eyes of a 20-year-old. Very relatable, chill content, and with a comedic twist. And we had a footy episode also where we got some people from international and over the country. So that was good fun, and I really enjoyed coming here. Thank you, Bhargav, for inviting me.